In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your password, PIN or pattern on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up Settings. To do that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap at that gear. Now, guys, here at Settings, we are looking for Lock Screen option here. On my device, it is actually Samsung Galaxy S23. It is called Lock Screen and AOD. And once you enter this part of Settings, at the very top you should find the option Screen Lock Type. Now I'm gonna enter it. On that step, it will ask you to confirm the pattern or enter your PIN or password, and after that you will be taken to the page where you can set your current lock type. As you can see, my current lock type is a pattern, and then if you would like just to, let's say, change it to another one, you can tap right here and then you need to draw a pattern, hit continue, then you need to confirm it and hit add confirm. That's how we can change pattern. However, also here we can, let's say, set PIN as our current lock type. In that simple way, I'm gonna enter PIN, hit continue. Now we need to re-enter it, hit OK. And basically, if we now go to screen lock type, it will ask us to confirm our PIN instead of pattern. That's because the last lock type you've changed will be automatically set as your current one. So guys, that's basically how you can change your lock type to PIN, password or pattern. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.